You just paid $800 at the mechanic for something that takes 15 minutes. And next month, you'll do it again. What if I told you that 5 simple tricks, things your mechanic will never mention, could save you thousands? Stick around. Number 3 alone saves $400 a year. Look, I get it. Cars are intimidating. But here's the truth mechanics don't want you to know. Most maintenance is stupidly simple. Like, your grandma could do this simple. So let's blow the lid off 5 secrets that'll keep more money in your pocket. Secret number 1, the oil change myth. Secret number 1, you're changing your oil way too often. That 3,000-mile rule? It's from 1970. Your owner's manual, not the quick lube place, is the gospel. Most modern cars, 7,000 to 10,000 miles between changes. $75 times 2 extra changes equals $150 per year. Wasted. Here's what you actually need to check. Pull the dipstick. Wipe it. Dip it again. Between the marks, you're golden. The color matters less than you think. Dark doesn't mean dead. It means it's working, capturing all that engine gunk. Do this one thing, and you've just outsmarted a multi-billion-dollar industry. Secret number 2, the $400 air filter scam. That cabin air filter they want $89 to replace? $15, 3 minutes, 0 tools. Seriously, most cars hide it behind your glove box. This thing filters every breath you take in your car. Breathing easier is nice, but here's the kicker. A clogged filter makes your AC work harder. Harder work means more gas burned. 2 to 3% fuel economy loss equals $60 to $90 per year. New filter slides in one direction. Can't mess it up. Start the car, crank the AC, and feel the difference immediately. By the way, your engine air filter is the same deal. Different location, same scam, same 3-minute fix. Secret number 3, battery terminal trick. That dying battery might just be dirty. See this crusty nightmare? Pure resistance. It's choking your electrical system. You could buy battery cleaner, or grab literally any soda from your fridge. The acid cuts through corrosion like magic. Scrub with an old toothbrush. Rinse with water, dry it off. Before you do this, mark which cable goes where. Red is positive, black is negative. If you need to remove them, loosen negative first, positive second. Reinstall opposite, positive first, negative second. Why does this matter? Because dealerships charge $150 for a battery service. That's literally this. Clean terminals twice a year, and that battery might outlive your car payment. Secret number 4, tire pressure goldmine. Your tire pressure is wrong right now. Don't believe me? When's the last time you checked? 68% of cars have at least one underinflated tire. Yeah, that's what I thought. Tires lose 1 to 2 psi every month just from existing. Temperature drops? Lose even more. This little tool costs $8 at any gas station. Unscrew the valve cap. Press the gauge on firmly. Get your reading in 2 seconds. The correct pressure? It's on a sticker inside your driver's door, not on the tire. That number on the tire? That's the max. Don't use it. Most gas stations have free air. Fill to the door's number. Underinflated by 10 psi? 3% worse fuel economy equals $100 per year. 15% faster tire wear equals $600 early replacement. Longer stopping distance equals safety risk. You're burning money and rubber with every mile. Proper pressure, better mileage. Safer stops, tires last longer. A month. Check once a month. Takes 5 minutes. Saves hundreds. Math never lies. Secret number 5, wiper blade hack. You don't need new wipers yet. Before you drop $40 on replacements, check if they're just dirty, rubbing alcohol on a rag. Wipe down that rubber edge. Bug guts, tree sap, road grime, it all builds up and causes streaking. Clean blades on clean glass? Flawless. When they do need replacing, Most pop off with zero tools. That tab on the side? Press and slide. AutoZone install? Free. Dealer install? They'll try charging $25. Save your money! You just learned how. Secret number 6. The brake pad inspection. Lie. They told you your brake pads are at 20%. Time for a $400 replacement. But here's what they're not telling you. You can check your own brake pads through the wheel spokes. No tools required. Look between the spokes at the caliper. See that pad pressed against the rotor? That's your brake pad. If it's thicker than a quarter, you've got thousands of miles left. They measure in millimeters and throw around scary numbers. 3 millimeters sounds terrifying, but that's still plenty of pad. Most pads start at 12 millimeters. You're safe until you hit 2 millimeters. That's when you hear the squealer, that metal-on-metal sound designed to warn you. Visual check takes 30 seconds. Could save you 6 months of unnecessary worry. And a premature $400 service. Your brake pads aren't emergency replacements every time they mention them. Secret number 7. Coolant top-off robbery. This is the $400 a year secret I mentioned. That coolant reservoir check? They're charging you $15 to $30 to pour in a cup of pre-mixed coolant. Your coolant reservoir is literally right there when you open the hood. Clear plastic tank with MN and max lines. If it's between the lines, you don't need anything. Below the MN line, you need coolant. Here's the move. Buy a gallon of 50/50 pre-mixed coolant. $10 at any auto parts store. Lasts for years. Pour it to the max line when cold. That's it. They'll charge you $25 for this at every oil change if you let them. Do this yourself 10 times a year? That's $250 saved. Over 5 years of ownership? $1,250. For pouring liquid into a clearly marked container. This might be the easiest money you'll ever save. Secret number 8. Transmission. Fluid truth. The transmission flush debate. Shops love pushing this. $150 to $300 every 30,000 miles. Here's the reality they won't tell you. Most modern transmissions say lifetime fluid in the manual. That means unless you tow heavy loads or drive in extreme conditions, you might never need to change it. Check your owner's manual, not what the shop recommends. What the manufacturer says. If your manual does call for changes, it's usually every 60 to 100,000 miles, not 30. And here's the dangerous part. If your transmission has never been serviced and has over 100,000 miles, flushing it now might actually cause problems. Old fluid with clutch material suspended in it, flush it out, and suddenly your transmission slips. The secret? Check your transmission fluid dipstick if you have one. Pink or red and clean? You're good. Brown or smells burnt? You've got problems, but flushing won't fix them. This knowledge alone saves you $300 in unnecessary flushes. Secret number 9. Serpentine belt scam. They showed you a cracked serpentine belt and want $150 to replace it. Cracks don't always mean replacement. Here's what matters. Surface cracks across the ribs? Normal aging, totally fine. Deep cracks more than halfway through the belt? That's when you replace. Missing chunks? Replace. Glazed and shiny? Replace. But tiny surface cracks? They're trying to upsell you. The belt should also have proper tension. Press down in the middle with your thumb. Should move about ½ an inch. Too loose and it squeals. Too tight and it wears out bearings. Most bad belts just need adjustment, which is free with a wrench and 5 minutes. Real talk? Serpentine belts last 60 to 100,000 miles in modern cars. If yours has 30,000 miles and needs replacement, get a second opinion. Visual inspection through the hood takes 10 seconds. Could save you that $150 replacement that wasn't necessary. Secret number 10. The tire rotation markup. Tire rotations. They charge $30 to $50. Takes them 12 minutes. You can do this yourself with a jack and 4 jack stands. The pattern's simple. Front wheel drive, front tires go straight back. Back tires cross to the front. Rear wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Front tires cross to the back. Back tires go straight forward. Takes 20 minutes your first time. 10 minutes once you've done it twice. Jack and jack stands cost $80 total. One-time investment. After 2 rotations, You're saving money. Rotate every 6,000 miles? That's 2 or 3 times a year. At $40 a pop, that's $120 yearly. Over 10 years, $1,200. Plus, you learn a critical skill. Knowing how to safely jack up your car means you can change a flat on the highway. No waiting for a tow truck. No $100 roadside service call. This secret pays for itself immediately, then keeps paying. Peace out. Rapid-fire bonus tips. 1. Foggy headlights? Toothpaste and a rag. Seriously. 2. Gas cap clicks 3 times when tight. No check engine light, no wasted fuel evaporating. 3. Penny test for tires. Lincoln's head down into the tread. If you see all of his head, replace those tires. Look, you just learned 10 secrets that mechanics pray you never discover. These simple moves, they'll save you thousands over your car's lifetime. You're not at their mercy anymore. If this saved you even one overpriced mechanic visit, smash that like button. Subscribe for more ways to keep your money where it belongs, in your pocket. Drop a comment with your own car maintenance hack. What's your secret weapon? Now get out there and show that car who's boss.